If you're looking for sweetness to put inside a basket, I am the whole blinking market. What was that?
Men of Dotcat, this is your moment. On Friday, November 28th, we ignite the flame for Kings of the Kitchen, our International Men's Day celebration. Teams from across the division and companies will battle it out, creating finger-licking dishes packed with flavor and tradition, and a mystery ingredient will be revealed on the day. It's more than a competition. It's unity, creativity, and pure Tobago spirit. So come out, support your colleagues, and celebrate our men in action. I'll see you at Shaw Park Food Hub. 10 a.m., 28th November. Let's crown the true kings of the kitchen.
If you're looking for sexy